Get ready for a unique recipe.
Hello and welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. So today I'm going to prepare a recipe. It's a very common fish. We Bengali often use Mourola the Mourola fish, which is available during winter or some other time as well these days. So right now I got Gang Mourola, and this is bigger in size. So we often know about this Mourola Jhal, Mourola Tok, something like that. But I want to give a makeover to this Mourala, and I prepared a recipe that is a continental recipe, which is Mourala in lemon butter garlic sauce. The recipe is very easy and very simple, and just go through the recipe and follow each and every step and surprise your near and dear one. So I had this Mourala with normal rice, plain rice, and you can have this with zira rice also. The taste will be really very good, and you can have this with any kind of herb rice. So what you are waiting for, just go through the recipe. I'm not going to do bok and I'm also drooling. So many times I prepared the recipe, and I thought to share this recipe with everybody so that you can give the Mourala actually jano khub beshi jate othe, and this fish really tastes awesome. The price is cheaper price, and you will get a recipe which is just like a restaurant. So what you are waiting for, just go through the recipe and do let me know. Thank you.
These are the Mourola fish I will use. I will just cut it, clean it, and then I will start the cooking.
Before I start the cooking, I'll show you the ingredient. First of all, this is lemon juice, and these 2 limes are for garnishing. This is finely chopped garlic. This is Maida and gol morich or black pepper powder. This is optional. This is Kasundi or mustard sauce. If you don't have mustard sauce, you can use Kasundi as well, but this is optional. If you don't want, you can omit this one as well. And parsley leaf chopped. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any brand of vegetable oil. Salt I'm using, and this is unsalted butter. So I'll just marinate the Mourala fish. So these are the Mourala fish. I already cut it. You can see, cut and clean. Remove the scale or macherash. So I washed it thoroughly, and now I will start the marination. I will marinate for 30 minutes, not more than that. So first, chopped garlic. Chopped garlic is important here. If you want, you can add chili flakes as well when I'll make the sauce. So chopped garlic is there, and right now what I will add, little bit of salt, because I will add salt later. And then mustard sauce or Kasundi, chopped parsley, and some of them I will use in the sauce as well. And now I will add this black pepper powder, and then I will add some lime juice so that the stinky flavor and smell will be gone. So I have to marinate it properly, and I will keep it for half an hour, and then I will come back for the next part. And the next part, the second marination. Here, this is Maida. I will coat this marinated fish with Maida, and immediately I will fry it. So coat it properly.
And this is how I have to coat it properly, so that each and every fish will be coated with this marination. The Maida, this marination will be coated properly, evenly.
First, I will hit some olive oil for frying the fish, and you can say this is my secret. I will add little bit of butter, unsalted butter, so that the flavor will get into the fish when I am frying. The fry will be light fry, not the crispy brown fry. So I'll start the frying portion. Once I'll fry the fish, I'll just come back. So very carefully I have to do it. And I'm using Mourala so it can splatter, so be careful. Let me show you the frying part. So both sides I will fry it, and you know, the smell is so divine. I cannot control myself to taste it. Even if I'm not going to make the sauce either, I can just fry it and have it also with rice. So here no rice but the frying portion. So this is the very soft fish. It's done. I'll just show you. These are done. You tried with bhetki or basa, but do try this with Mourala, and you will lick your fingers definitely, or the finger of the chef. So the frying part is done. This will be lightly fried. As I said, it will be whitish in color. So I'll start with the lemon butter garlic sauce preparing. In this same pan, first of all, I will add the butter. Rest of the butter I will add. So as I said, this is unsalted butter, so that we can actually control the salt portion. It won't be less salt or it won't be more salt. So just I have to melt it, and then I will add the garlic over here. And we have to cook it very fast, as because garlic can burn, and we don't want any burnt garlic over here in this recipe. And then I will add some black pepper powder, that is according to your taste, and the chopped parsley as well. Little bit of water, and then I will add some salt. So I have to cook it now. Just boiling, and now I will add little bit of maida, so that it will be thickened, and of course lemon juice. So the lemon butter garlic sauce is already done, and now I will serve it. So just for a couple of seconds, and then I'll come back. Let me show you how to serve this Mourola in lemon butter garlic sauce. Just don't boil this fried fish in this lemon butter garlic sauce. Rather, you have to prepare it and then just pour over it in this way. And it's done. So the fish will absorb the taste, the tangy taste, and tangy, lemony, buttery, garlic taste will be there. So you just try it at home and let me know. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and you can check it out in Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram and Facebook as well. The Facebook page, the name is same, Madhurima's Kitchen. And if you want to place food order to me, just go to Facebook page and Google Madhurima's Kitchen. So thank you. Just desi fish and bidesi taste. Enjoy.